Hello, and welcome to our video on the evolution of Bitcoin. We will look at the past, current situation, and prospects for the earliest and most well-known cryptocurrency along this journey. Since its introduction in 2009, Bitcoin has advanced significantly and transformed the world of digital currencies. We will explore the significant turning points, challenges, and advancements that have influenced Bitcoin's history. Since its small beginnings as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, Bitcoin has grown to become a global phenomenon and has attracted the interest of investors, companies, and governments alike. So what does Bitcoin's future hold? In this section, we'll talk about potential upgrades to scalability, security, and transaction speed that could result in higher adoption. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin and explore its evolution. Using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, an unknown person or group invented Bitcoin in 2009. It was released as open-source software that allows peer-to-peer transactions without the use of middlemen by utilizing blockchain technology. The idea behind Bitcoin was groundbreaking because it sought to establish a decentralized digital currency that could be used for international transactions without the aid of conventional financial institutions. In its early days, Bitcoin was met with skepticism and faced many challenges. It was often associated with illegal activities due to its pseudonymous nature, and its value was highly volatile. However, early adopters recognized its potential and started using it for various purposes, including online transactions and investments. As more people started using Bitcoin, the first ever Bitcoin exchange, Mt. Gox, was established in 2010, which allowed users to buy and sell Bitcoin with traditional currencies. This marked an important milestone in the evolution of Bitcoin, as it provided a way for users to exchange Bitcoin for fiat currencies and vice versa. Over the years, Bitcoin experienced a meteoric rise in popularity and acceptance. As its technology matured, it became more secure, and its transaction process became faster and more efficient. This led to an increasing number of merchants and businesses accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. Major companies such as Microsoft, AT&T, and PayPal started accepting Bitcoin as a legitimate means of transaction, further legitimizing its status. Institutional investors began to pay attention to Bitcoin, which contributed to a sharp increase in its value. Major financial institutions and investment organizations began looking into Bitcoin as an investment asset, which led to the creation of Bitcoin futures contracts and investment products, which drove its rise even further. As a result of the public's and the media's attention being drawn by the exponential rise in the value of Bitcoin, global phenomena, and a great deal of interest in cryptocurrencies were created. The rise of Bitcoin also led to the emergence of a vibrant ecosystem of cryptocurrency exchanges, wallets, and other supporting services. Bitcoin became the benchmark for other cryptocurrencies, and its success paved the way for the proliferation of numerous altcoins or alternative cryptocurrencies. These altcoins aim to address the limitations of Bitcoin and introduce new features and functionalities to the blockchain ecosystem. Despite its remarkable success, Bitcoin has encountered various challenges throughout its evolution. One of the most significant hurdles is scalability, as the original Bitcoin blockchain has limitations in terms of transaction speed and capacity. This has sparked debates and discussions within the Bitcoin community on how to effectively address these challenges. As a result, several forks or splits have occurred in the Bitcoin blockchain, resulting in the creation of new cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and others. These forks were attempts to address the scalability and other issues of the original Bitcoin, but they also led to disagreements and controversies within the community. The debates surrounding scalability have resulted in proposed solutions such as segregated witness, SegWit, and the Lightning Network, which aim to enhance the transaction capacity and speed of the Bitcoin network. These solutions have gained traction, but they have also faced resistance from different stakeholders, with varying perspectives on how to address the scalability issue. Another challenge that Bitcoin has faced is regulatory scrutiny and legal challenges. As Bitcoin gained popularity and wider adoption, governments and regulatory bodies around the world started to take notice, and implement regulations to govern its use. This has led to varying degrees of acceptance, skepticism, and even bans in some countries. The security and privacy of Bitcoin have also been a problem. The Bitcoin ecosystem has had incidents of hacking, fraud, and theft despite its decentralized structure and strong cryptographic standards. As a result, efforts have been undertaken to strengthen the security standards and procedures inside the Bitcoin network. This has prompted worries regarding the security and privacy of Bitcoin transactions. Besides these obstacles, Bitcoin's adoption as a form of digital money has increased. Millions of users and businesses throughout the world have been drawn to it by its decentralized nature, borderless transactions, and potential for financial emancipation. Institutional investors are also paying attention to Bitcoin, with some of them considering it a possible store of value and an inflation policy. Another crucial moment in the evolution of Bitcoin was the historic fork in 2017, which resulted in the creation of Bitcoin Cash, a new cryptocurrency. The fork occurred due to disagreements within the Bitcoin community regarding the best approach to expand the network's capabilities. Following the fork, other Bitcoin variants, such as Bitcoin Gold and Bitcoin SV, also emerged, adding to the growing number of cryptocurrencies in the market. These forks and the subsequent emergence of altcoins marked a significant milestone in the evolution of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Moreover, as the popularity of cryptocurrencies increased, numerous altcoins began to surface, offering different advantages and disadvantages compared to Bitcoin. Today, there are hundreds of altcoins, each with its unique features and use cases, that have established themselves as viable alternatives to Bitcoin. These forks and the proliferation of altcoins have contributed to the diversification and maturation of the cryptocurrency market, providing users with a broader range of choices and investment opportunities. The competition and innovation among various cryptocurrencies have spurred further advancements in blockchain technology and its applications. As we can see, the evolution of Bitcoin has been shaped by significant events such as forks and the emergence of altcoins, which have influenced the trajectory of the cryptocurrency market and its ecosystem. These developments have brought about new opportunities and challenges for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, leading to a dynamic and constantly evolving landscape in the world of digital currencies. The prospects for Bitcoin are therefore positive as we look to the future. It has advanced significantly since its beginnings and has established itself as a frequently used payment method and value financial asset. Including institutional investors, futures contracts, and other financial products has allowed the Bitcoin market to develop and grow. However, there are still challenges that Bitcoin will need to overcome. Legislative ambiguity around cryptocurrencies and their regulation continues to be a concern, as different countries have varying approaches toward cryptocurrencies. Additionally, scalability and security remain areas that require improvement, as the original Bitcoin blockchain has limitations in terms of transaction speed and capacity. There is a lot of hope for the future of Bitcoin despite these challenges. As technology advances, attempts are being made to solve scalability and security concerns, including the creation of Layer 2 solutions and the adoption of improved protocols. Furthermore, Bitcoin's future prospects are further strengthened by the growing public usage and acceptance of it as an acceptable method of investment and payment. Furthermore, the potential for Bitcoin to serve as a hedge against traditional financial markets and fiat currencies, particularly during times of economic uncertainty, presents opportunities for growth. Additionally, the increasing recognition of Bitcoin as a store of value and a potential inflation hedge may also contribute to its future growth and adoption. From its origins to its present status as a widely accepted digital asset, Bitcoin has traveled a remarkable journey. Though there are still issues, Bitcoin has a promising future ahead of it thanks to continual technological advancements, rising acceptance, and changing financial markets. These factors will enable Bitcoin to grow and evolve over the coming years, regardless of the challenges that it currently faces. That's it for our exploration of the evolution of Bitcoin, from its origins to its present state and future prospects. We hope you found this journey through the history of Bitcoin informative and intriguing. Thank you for watching. And please feel free to leave any comments or questions below. For more informative videos like the cryptocurrency industry and many others, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.